Alright, we're going to do a quick unboxing here of the Omtech Rotary. So this is not the chuck style, but the roller style. Hopefully in a while I'm going to be able to get myself the chuck style as well. So when we manage to get that going, unboxing on that. I just received this yesterday, but I was busy setting up the machine, so we're gonna have to, I had to wait a little bit to get this. So, packaging, pretty solid off the top. This is a big thing. All right, so we've got our instructions here. Looks like that's probably German, and there's our English version here. So there's your instructions right there, and we've got a piece. So just to give you an idea of what you're looking at, this thing is not an insignificant piece of machinery. It's pretty hefty. Looks like they've included some extra little rubber, not really rubber bands, but that'll go on the wheels here to provide some traction. So as those wear out, being able to replace those is a pretty good thing. So we're gonna pull this out of the box, get that out of the way, kind of go over the device here. So we have, I'm guessing this here, it's probably a lot, so I probably don't want to, there we go. So this is going to slide back and forth to give you the ability to do different size cylindrical pieces, whether that be tumblers or glasses, whatever you have. So one end there, other end here. If it's not a straight cylinder, then you can raise or lower this side here to make sure that you're level with the unit. So obviously a stepper motor there. Coming around this side, lock that so I don't smash anything again. You've got access to the belt there. The stepper motor's driving the belt, it's driving your tuning wheels, so you've got access to all of that right there. So pretty basic device. Nothing too crazy or out of the norm, I would say, on this, but definitely seems well made. It's not going to shake around, that's for sure. It is going to stay nice and stable in your laser machine. So I'm looking forward to putting this to the test. We'll have some more videos on that here in the future, but right now I am still waiting to get my deionized water delivered so that I can fire up the laser for the first time. Or at least the tube. Everything else is working. You can see got light burn running there in the background, so that's going to be a lot of fun. So definitely looking forward to getting busy with some rotary engraves. So that is the Omtech roller style rotary add-on. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel if you find this information useful. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.